In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson printer, that is the Epson EcoTank ET-2400 printer. So it is just printing blank pages, and I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Make sure your printer is switched on. Now press and hold this cancel button for 5 seconds altogether. Now release it. You hear a sound, the printer has started the printhead cleaning. So that's the first step we have to do. And in this printhead cleaning, it will try to unclog the printhead. It's going to take around 3 minutes for the printhead cleaning, and we will see the result after that. So printer has done the printhead cleaning, so let's see the print result. For that I'm just going to use this sheet. It has all the 4 colors. That will give an idea if all the colors are working or not. So I'm just going to do the color copy, press it once. So let's see if there is any improvement or not. So you may have to do the printhead cleaning few times before it starts to print properly. In my case, it has started to print. There are lines in the printing. The yellow and the magenta color is working properly, whereas the black color and the cyan color is still having lines inside. To improve the print quality for more, you can do the printhead cleaning again. So you can repeat this cycle for few times. And even after that, if your printer is just printing the blank pages, that means it needs manual printhead cleaning. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer printing blank pages or not printing anything on the page. Thanks for watching.